We know that our world is made up of interconnected systems, dependent on each other to stay healthy. In Sustainability Foundations, Plants, Animals, and Our World, learners explore environmental systems and understand how human health, climate change, global resource constraints, and animal welfare are all interconnected. This course includes 4 modules and covers topics like sustaining global resources, protecting healthy biodiversity, positively curbing climate change, and innovating for a healthy life. Although each module covers a different topic, each follows a similar flow. Course Introduction: exploring the core information learners need preceding the course. A pre-assessment. A series of interactive pages and activities that allow for learners to explore concepts related to human health, climate change, global resource constraints, and biodiversity. Making your pledge. Students choose action items they resonate with most to take part in building momentum for small changes on a community level. Conclusion and post-assessment. After taking this course, students will walk away with an understanding that every choice we make impacts others. Learners will explore the interconnectedness of environmental systems and how to make informed decisions to improve the health of those systems. This course also includes a glossary of terms acquired throughout the course, which is present throughout the module as the terms present themselves within the content. For more information, visit thegamagency.com.